3 items on this list could be the difference between making it and not, and most preppers don't even own one of them yet. Drop your guess for number 1 in the comments before the reveal. You're probably wrong. Subscribe and turn on notifications. We researched this gear so you stop wasting money on the wrong stuff. Number 20 starts under 50 bucks. Number 20, the ARCTURUS Backwoods Wool Blanket, 70 bucks. 4.5 pounds of 80% wool. Fire resistant, embers bounce off it. Works wet, which synthetic doesn't. Generations of military and woodsmen have built shelters around this exact piece of cloth. Throw it in your trunk and forget about it. At 19, the ÜBERLEBEN ZÜNDEN FERRO Rod, 20 bucks. Hardwood handle, 5/16" ferrocerium rod, throws sparks at 5,000 degrees. When your lighter's wet and your matches are gone, this still works. Soaked in a creek for an hour, still strikes. Up to 12,000 fires from a single rod. Fire is non-negotiable. Number 18, the CAMMENGA 3H Tritium Compass, 90 bucks. Actual US military issue. The same compass infantry units carry. 7 self-illuminating tritium points glow for 12 years without batteries. Phone GPS dies, your phone dies, satellite goes down. This still works. If you can't read a compass, you can't navigate when it counts. At 17, SABRE Red Pepper Gel, $19. 18-foot range, gel formula instead of spray so wind doesn't blow it back in your face. And a UV marker dye that tags whoever you spray for police. Legal in all 50 states. Most people who carry this never use it, that's the point. Number 16, the 511 Tactical Rush 24-2, 170. 37 liters, MOLLE on every panel, hydration sleeve, hidden CCW pocket, first responders carry it for a reason. Built for the load, blends into a parking lot. Your bug out bag is only as good as the bag holding it. At 15, the SAWYER Mini, $26. 0.1 micron filtration, removes 99.99999% of bacteria, lasts 100,000 gallons. Backpacking forums consistently rank this above filters costing 5 times more. Drink straight from a creek without thinking about it. When the tap stops working, this is the one filter that doesn't quit. Number 14, the CAT Tourniquet, 33 bucks. The only tourniquet officially approved by the US Army. Patented windlass, single-handed application, designed to stop arterial bleeding in under 30 seconds. A car accident, a chainsaw slip, anything else. Without one of these, you have minutes. Counterfeits flood listings, so make sure it's the genuine North American rescue version. At 13, the MORAKNIV GARBERG, 100 bucks. Full tang Swedish carbon steel, 4.3-inch blade, MOLLE compatible multi-mount sheath. The bushcraft community's #1 fixed blade pick, and they argue about everything. Built to baton through hardwood without flexing. This isn't a tactical knife trying to look pretty. It's a knife built by Swedes who have spent 1,000 years getting it right. Number 12, the JACKERY Explorer 300 Plus, $200. 288 watt hours, 300 watt AC outlet, USB-C fast charge, lithium iron phosphate battery rated for 10 years, 8 pounds, small enough to grab on the way out the door, charges from solar in 4 hours, runs a continuous positive airway pressure machine, a phone, a laptop, a small fridge. The starter power station for anyone who hasn't bought one yet. At 11, the Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp, $50. 400 lumens, dimmable, IPX8 waterproof, submersible to a meter for 30 minutes. Red night vision mode preserves your dark adaptation. Hands-free lighting changes everything when you're working in the dark. A flashlight occupies 1 hand, a headlamp occupies 0. You only realize how much that matters the first night you're trying to fix something with a flashlight in your teeth. Halfway through. Top 10 now, and one of the next products has saved more lives than the other 19 combined. Stay with me. Top 10. Number 10, the Survivor Filter Pro, $70. Triple stage filtration down to 0.01 micron. Removes bacteria, parasites, viruses, and heavy metals. Most filters won't touch the metals. 500 milliliters per minute via hand pump. The SAWYER Mini at 15 handles bacteria. This handles everything else. When the source water is questionable, this is the one that doesn't gamble. At 9, the BAOFENG UV5R, $25. Dual-band ham radio that scans police, fire, marine, and weather frequencies and transmits on the open ham bands once you're licensed. The license costs 40 bucks and a multiple choice test. The most recommended off-grid comms tool on every serious prepping forum, and it costs less than dinner. Number 8. The OLIGHT Marauder Mini 170, 7,000 lumens, 600 meter throw, fits in a jacket pocket, RGB sublight, magnetic charging, anti-roll body. The kind of flashlight that makes a deer freeze at 2 football fields out. The kind of flashlight you only buy once. The kind of flashlight that ends arguments at the campsite. At 7. The MYMEDIC MYFAK Standard 179. 132 trauma items in a MOLLE-compatible kit. Tourniquet, chest seal, hemostatic gauze, splints, pressure dressings, plus everyday supplies you'll actually use. The difference between a band-aid box and a real first aid kit. When seconds matter, generic kits fail. This one was built by combat medics for civilians who think ahead. Number 6. The BIOLITE CAMPSTOVE 2+, 150. Burns sticks, generates 3 watts from the heat to charge your phone, boils a liter in 4.5 minutes, stores power in a 3200 mAh battery for after the fire's out. No canisters. Forest floor scraps turn into a hot meal and a charged phone. Genuinely the kind of tech that surprises people. Top 5 from here. If this list saved you from buying junk, hit like. That 1 second of feedback puts this in front of more preppers. Comment your guess for number 1 before the reveal. Top 5. Number 5. The Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical Edition, $400. Solar charging means the battery never runs out in daylight. Built to US military standards. Stealth mode disables wireless when you don't want a signal. Dual position GPS, night vision compatibility, Jumpmaster mode. A watch that tracks heart rate 1 minute and runs a tactical operation the next. The kind of wrist hardware that turns up on serious operators. At 4. The AUGASON Farms 30-day emergency food supply, 170. 307 servings sealed in a single pail, 25-year shelf life. Just add water meals, rice, soups, oatmeal, milk powder. Sits in a closet for 2 decades and waits. When grocery shelves go empty in 72 hours, and they always do, this is the difference between watching the news and worrying about dinner. Number 3. The Seek Thermal Compact Pro, $500. Plug it into your phone and your phone sees through pitch dark, smoke, and foliage. 320 by 240 thermal sensor. Most preppers don't even know this tech exists at a price point that isn't $5,000. Find a person at night. See heat loss before a winter storm. Watch a perimeter without a light. Genuine haven't seen that before tech. At 2, the ECOFLOW Delta 2 Portable Power Station, $600. 1,024 watt-hours, 1,800 watts of AC output, lithium iron phosphate chemistry rated for over 3,000 cycles. Runs a fridge, continuous positive airway pressure, hot plate, lights, at the same time. Recharges from solar, wall, or car. When the grid goes dark for 3 days, this is what keeps your insulin cold and your phone charged. The closest thing to a personal blackout-proof house. 14 products covered. Number 1. The list above only works if you can be reached, found, or rescued. This one is how. Ready? The number 1 tactical gadget every prepper should own. The Garmin INREACH Mini 2 satellite communicator at $400. Here's why this wins. Reason 1. It works when nothing else does. Cell towers down, internet gone, grid offline. This connects to the Iridium satellite network from anywhere on Earth. Reason 2. SOS. One button summons Garmin's 24/7 response center to coordinate your rescue. Backcountry, earthquake aftermath, remote breakdown, it doesn't matter. Reason 3. Two-way text messaging. You can tell your family you're alive and they can tell you what's happening on their end. A subscription runs around $15 a month. The cost of being uncontactable is everything else. 20 items. The grid stays up most days. The day it doesn't is the day everything on this list earns its keep. Comment your top 3. Subscribe. The next list is 20 hidden tactical gadgets nobody knows are even legal. See you there.